Feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, step-by-step way to start budgeting and finally take control of your money. By the end of this video, you'll have a budget that works, no matter how much or how little you make. Let's get started.
Step 1. Know your income. You can't plan your spending if you don't know what's coming in. Calculate your total monthly income after taxes. This includes your paycheck, side hustles, freelance gigs, or any other income streams. Write it down or input it into an app, whatever works best for you. This number is the foundation of your budget. Step 2. Track your expenses. This step might seem tedious, but it's crucial. Spend at least 1 month documenting everything. Yes, everything you spend money on. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs like rent and variable costs like dining out or entertainment. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB to make tracking easier. Trust me, this will be eye-opening. Step 3. Categorize your spending. Now that you know where your money goes, divide it into needs, wants, and savings, or debt repayment. A simple rule to start with is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like dining out, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjust these percentages if needed, but always aim to save something. Step 4. Create your budget. Based on your income and categorized expenses, set spending limits for each category. Be realistic and make room for flexibility. If you notice you're spending too much on wants, consider trimming that area and boosting your savings or debt payments instead. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Check in weekly or monthly to see how you're doing. Did you overspend in one area? That's okay. Adjust your budget and move forward. The key is to stay consistent and not get discouraged. Here's a bonus tip. Automate your finances. Set up automatic payments for bills, savings transfers, or even investments. This removes the guesswork and keeps you on track without even thinking about it. And that's it. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your finances transform over time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Savvy Cents, and hit the bell icon for more personal finance tips. Remember, you've got this, and I'm here to help you every step of the way.